Want to make your videos stand out with cool text animations? Today, I'll show you how to do it for free on your phone in just a few steps. First, download the app Capcut from Google Play Store or App Store. It's free and perfect for creative editing. Open Capcut, start a new project, and import the video you want to edit. Next, tap on the text option, write your text, and select a font style that suits your video. After that, go to the effects option and choose any effect you like. For now, I'm selecting a pro effect just to show you how it looks. Now, go to the animation tab and choose from a variety of text animations like fade in, bounce, or slide. Look at how cool the pro animations look. But since we're using the free version, let's pick a free animation that matches our video style. You can set one type of animation for in and another for out as per your preference. Finally, don't forget to adjust the duration of the in and out animations to your liking. Now I'll select a free font and also choose a free effect to go with it. Once you're happy with the animations, export the video and share it on your social media. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, comment on what you'd like to learn next, and subscribe for more editing tips.